So first thing first, you have to know how to name the shape, just like we talked about yesterday, in order to do it. So the volume of any shape, you have to be able to name the shape. So this one has a square, and it comes to another square, so it's a prism. Whereas if I take the same shape, and you'll see that the squares are the same size. This one comes to a point though, so it's a pyramid. So both of these are squares for bases, but this one comes to another base, so it's a prism. This one comes to a point because it's a pyramid. This one has a triangle for a base, but it comes to another triangle, so it's a prism. So this is a triangular prism. And this is a triangle for a base, but it comes to a point, so this is a triangular pyramid. Cylinder is a little different. It's like a cone prism, but it has that circle base, so it's a cylinder. But when it comes to a point, instead of being called a pyramid, this is a cone, like an ice cream cone. Okay, so bear with me for the next part because I didn't have rice in my office. It says fill the rectangular pyramid with rice. I'm just going to use water. It'll work the same way. And then it says pour into the rectangular prism. So I'm going to take this base off. Okay, and then it says repeat until the prism is full. So there's one. Two. Three. Important to note that both of these prisms and pyramids had exactly the same base. Steps 2 says fill out the triangular pyramid with rice, and I'm again going to use water, but very important to note that these two shapes have exactly the same shape base. So fill the pyramid with rice, and then pour into the prism. Okay, and the last one says to fill the cone with rice. Again, note the cone and the cylinder I'm using are exactly the same base. Now answer the last question and check with Ms. Dasso to make sure that you are right in the relationship before she gives you the homework.